Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to fix inactive conversion tracking in Google Ads step by step. If your conversions are not being recorded properly, it can affect your campaign performance and ROI. So now let's go through the possible causes and solutions so you can get started tracking back. Log into your Google Ads account and navigate to the Tools and Settings menu. Now next, click on Conversions under the Measurement section. Look for the conversion action that is marked as inactive or unverified. If it hasn't recorded any conversions in a while, Google may automatically mark it as inactive. One of the main reasons for inactive tracking is an incorrect or missing conversion tag on your website. To check if the tag is working, use Google Tag Assistant or Google Tag Manager to inspect your conversion tracking setup. Now, if you find issues, reinstall the tracking code and test it again. Sometimes conversion tracking can be turned off due to campaign settings. Go to the conversion sections in Google Ads and check if the status is set to enabled. If not, click on the conversion action and select enable to reactivate it. Now, Google Ads tracks conversions based on your attribution model and look back window settings. If the time frame is too short, some conversions may not be counted. So go to your conversion settings and adjust the conversion window to a longer period to ensure all conversions are tracked. Now, if you are using Google Analytics for tracking, make sure it is correctly linked to Google Ads. Go to Tools and Settings, Linked Accounts, and check if your Google Analytics account is connected. Also verify that the correct goals or events are imported as conversions in Google Ads. Now, after making the necessary fixes, test your tracking setup by completing a test conversion. Use Google's Tag Assistant or Google Tag Manager debug mode to ensure the conversion event is firing and data is being sent to Google Ads. You should start seeing conversion data within 24 to 48 hours. And that is how you fix inactive conversion tracking in Google Ads. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.